But what we're going to do now is invest in a stock using Kraken. So to do that, we're going to go back here to the Home tab, and then we're going to click on the Trade button at the bottom right, and then we're going to click on Buy Crypto and Stocks with Cash, and then we're going to search for the particular asset. Now guys, by no means is this any type of investment recommendation, so what we're going to do is just buy the most popular stock. That way we're not picking a particular stock here or anything like that. So if we go over here to stocks, the very top one is none other than NVIDIA. So we'll click on that here. And it says you can buy and sell stocks on Kraken with no commissions with as little as $1. So that's great here. You can utilize fractional shares. I'm going to click on the buy stocks button at the bottom. And now we might have to go ahead and just input a little bit more information here to activate the stock trading feature. So what it says here is we need to confirm personal info, complete the investor questionnaire, and agree to the terms. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And the first question is, are you a citizen of the US? That's a yes. And then tax residency is United States. So I'll click on continue. And now you're just going to confirm your personal information that you inputted before. If everything looks good, you can click on confirm. And now it's actually going to have us do that identity verification step we were talking about earlier. And I'm actually glad that way you can see what steps are involved here. So it says to continue, we need to verify your identity. Please have a valid government-issued photo ID ready. So let me go ahead and get that out for us. From here, I'm just going to click on the continue button at the bottom. And it brings us to a screen here where it says we need to upload a photo ID. So I'll go ahead and click on continue. The first question is, what country is your government ID from? It's from the United States. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And then it's going to ask you what you are uploading a picture of. You can do driver's license, passport, state ID, passport card, or non-citizen travel document. I'm going to use a driver license. So I will select that. And then you do have to allow camera access in order to capture the image. So now it's going to bring up the capture screen, and I'm going to place this over the front of my ID to auto capture. And if we hold still, it should auto capture for us. So I'm just going to wait for it to complete. Or you might actually have to hit the button depending on what it does here. It might auto capture, it might not. And then if everything looks clear, we're going to click on the use this photo button. And now we simply have to take the same picture now, but of the back of the ID. If that looks good, we're going to click on use this photo. And now it is processing the ID. And it should do this automatically here for us in terms of the verification. So now it's asking us for some employment information. So we're going to input our employment status, which is going to be self-employed. That's not really a good option. So I'm just going to say employed. And then I have to input some information here about my employer. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on the continue button. And now it's going to ask some financial info. So the first question is, what is your annual household income? You can go ahead and input that. I'm just going to input all of the info, and then we'll click on continue together. The next question is the total value of your investable/liquid assets. And then what is the source of your income? So we'll go ahead and input this now. If that looks good, we can go ahead and click on the continue button, and now it's going to ask some trading profile questions. The first question is, what is your primary purpose for trading stock? By opening this, we can choose generate income, preserve wealth, market speculation, growth. I'm going to say growth. The next question is, what is your time frame for investment? So are you a short-term investor, long-term investor, or somewhere in between? You can go ahead and make a selection there. It then says, what is your risk tolerance? So you can go ahead and make a selection there. And then how many years of trading experience do you have, including stocks, equities, ETFs, etc.? And then you can go ahead and click on the continue button. From here, you have to make a decision about whether or not you want to earn income through their stock lending program. And if you are interested in that, you can check this box and click on continue. And now it's going to ask you about any brokerage or financial affiliations. We touched on this a bit earlier, but it says, do any of the following apply to you or a member of your immediate family that works for or are affiliated with a U.S. registered broker-dealer, etc., etc.? Are they a senior executive or 10% plus owner of a publicly traded company or a senior political figure? Most of the time, it's going to be none of the above apply, so I'm going to click on that. And now we just have to check some boxes here for some acknowledgments about different agreements. You can go ahead and look at these on your own and make your own decision about agreeing to these. And then you can go ahead and add a trusted contact to your account. It says we ask for a trusted contact so we can reach out to someone only in the case of a critical issue with your account. They must be 18 years of age or older. So you can input this information if you want. For me, this is just a demo account, so I'm going to click on skip for now. And just like that, we can now trade stocks. It says, congratulations, you are now eligible for stock trading on Kraken. So we'll go ahead and click on the done button. And now we can invest in our shares of NVIDIA. So if we go back again here to the trade button and then click on buy, and then we're going to navigate over here to stocks and then select NVIDIA. Now we're at the proper buy screen. So you can input a dollar value that you're looking to purchase here. So let's say you're looking to put $1 into NVIDIA. You can do that if you want. But in this case, we're going to put half of our money here, $50 into NVIDIA. That's going to get us 0.2788 and then some shares. So if that all looks good, we can click on the purple arrow here, and it's going to bring us to the order confirmation screen. We can see we're paying a $0 fee to Kraken. And then we're going to click on the confirm button at the bottom. And just like that, we bought $50 of NVIDIA stock.